Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and if you hear wind noise from your windows guys, okay, you're driving down the highway and you hear wind noise coming from one of the doors or one of the windows, stay with us and we'll explain what causes that and how to fix it guys. It could be two possibilities for that, so make sure you stay until the end. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need any parts or tools guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get parts and tools for a really good price. So let me show you now guys what could be causing that. We'll demonstrate on front left driver door, but any other door guys will be the same way. The front right will be the same way, rear door there will be one minor difference and we're going to explain that. Now when you guys close your door, okay, things to look for now. Two possibilities guys. One, the door does not close all the way. There will be a little bit of a gap here on the seal guys, and that gap will result in wind noise. What happens actually over time, okay, your seal, door seal, they get flattened guys, like this one. Even though the car has only 40,000 miles, eventually they get flat guys, like this one here, and they do not seal as good. As a result, you start hearing wind noise. How you can correct that? You can simply guys correct it, okay, by moving the door anchor lock right here. By loosening these two bolts, you can just move it a little bit in. It's adjustable in and out, so you can move it in just a little bit. Don't move it up and down, just a little bit in and go a little bit at a time, not too much guys. Socket right here, you just go get those loose, adjust it as much as you need. If you need to buy torque sockets guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, check it out. Okay, that's one possibility. Another possibility guys, everything's fine and you still you still continue hearing, okay, wind noise. What could be that? Check your window that it closes all the way, because it may close on one side all the way, let's say right here, but it may be just barely open on this side or the other way around. How that can be adjusted guys? Let's say sometimes things get loose, sometimes let's say somebody replaced the window regulator, didn't adjust it, and the window is not going straight up as it should and it doesn't seal on the front and the rear. How you adjust that? You remove the door panel. We have the door panel removed. If you want to see the video, it's on the channel. And once you remove the door panel guys, okay, right here now you have one nut here and one towards the front, and if you loosen these nuts a little bit, do not take them off all the way, loosen them, you can position your window more towards the rear end, up or down or up I guess, and the front end. So you can guys adjust so your window closes evenly on both sides, on front and rear. Otherwise your window guys will not close all the way and it will result in wind noise. Those are the two possibilities guys. Third is a broken seal somewhere, but that's usually super easy to notice, so you can check it out on your own. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.